Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got a cool horn to look at. So today we've got something kind of special. This is a Nathan K5LA. Now this is a Big Bore 80s horn. So early 80s, you're really, I guess like 80 through like 83 or 84 was your Big Bore stuff. After that, the number 5, which is what we're referring to when we say Big Bore, the bore size changed and it was smaller than all the other bells. On the early 80s Big Bore horns, the number 5 has the same size bore as the other bells. So that's what Big Bore means. This specific horn, each one of these bells has been specifically picked. This is not an original horn, this is a parts build, but being a parts build, we were able to pick individual bells that play the exact notes we want. So because we did that, this may be one of the nicest sounding K5s I've ever heard. The number 5 is very sharp, it's not flat, and it doesn't compete with the number 1, which you find that happens quite a bit with these horns. It's a really, really nice sounding horn. Now, I did run this a little different too. I wanted to kind of do a quicker run. Usually I pass the camera going 30 mile an hour, something like that, 35. On the run where I go through the field, which is the first, I guess the first run by video, pass the camera doing 60, 65. So a little bit of a quicker pass, anyway, it really sounds nice. So of course with a K5LA, it's just a 1, a 2, a 3A, 4A, and a 5. So I guess that's about it, guys. This is a really nice sounding horn. Like I said, probably the best sounding K5LA I've heard in a long time, to be honest. It's really nice. Gotten a lot of compliments on this one. So y'all enjoy this, guys. This is a early 80s Big Bore 5 K5LA.